Hello everybody, welcome back to another short video here on the channel. In today's video we're going to do something a little bit interesting. I kind of like this. So this is a 2019 Am Outlander 570 LXMR, and I do have the gauge swap to the dual tachometer. Now, I just switched it so it shouldn't do it. Let's shut the light off. If I turn the key on, it would say maintenance required. Now, some of you may have seen these in some of my past videos because I never did take it to the dealer to get it changed. Well, I'm here to show you how to change that on this particular bike, and this does work with the original tachometer. I did a little bit of research on it, and it's kind of interesting how this works. So what you want to do is you want to have your lights in the high beam position. You want to turn on the key. You want to wait for your screen to come on. Got the typical hello message, and it doesn't have it anymore. I promise you it did have this before because I've been screwing with this for about 30 minutes. So what you want to do is you want to hold this button right here while you're on your kilometers or miles. This should be after I believe the clock. So if we check this real quick. Yes, you want to press it one from the clock. And I don't think gear position really matters, I don't think. So what you want to do is you want to hold down this button, and once you hold this button down, you want to flip your light switch 3 times within 2 seconds like this. Just like that. And I waited about 5 seconds, and I turned my key off, and I waited for my gauges to go out. Also, when I flipped the switch, pretended I was holding the button labeled S, which on the normal tachometer would be over here, just be a side button because it's only got one button to go with it. So you'd be basically holding down this button and you'd be flipping this simultaneously at the exact same time. Then you would wait for your gauges to go out, which takes usually, I think for this bike, about a minute, roughly. There you go. And then turn the key back on. Get that hello message. And light should be out. And that's pretty much all there is to say about this particular video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. Like I said, this works with all Outlander L models, along with the gauge swap that I did. So it should work just fine there. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. And I hope you guys have a good day. See ya.